In this video, we're going to talk about a survival parts kit for Glock from the Glock store. Hey guys, Nick with Warrior Tactical Systems here. Today we're talking about this neat little survival parts kit for your Glock. You can pick them up at the Glock store. They're really nice. I bought this one years ago for my Glock 23. Probably 10 years, maybe 15 years ago, I don't know. It's pretty neat. It's just a little nylon bag. There's plenty of extra space in here for adding stuff later on, but they give you a good bit of stuff. There's a whole group of different things here. Now I'm not going to go through everything, but your safety plungers, springs, recoil springs, trigger springs. There's a bunch of good stuff here, but what's really neat about it is each individual piece is labeled. Print it right on there. Not only what it is, but which Glocks it's good that'll fit in, that it works for. So everything, you don't have to worry about or play that game of which Glock does this go into or what's this for. And it comes with a tool, a Glock disassembly tool. It comes with one of those in there too. And then it comes with this sheet that has all your parts on it. It gives you a breakdown, kind of like a diagram or exploded view of your Glock and where every piece goes and what it is and what it's for. You know, a good little reference tool for working on your, or disassembling your Glock or replacing your pieces. Now, if you're wondering why you want this or what you need it for, it's good just to have some extra parts for one, but something this small, say your safety plunger, might be $4 or $5 part or something, or even something smaller, your trigger spring, maybe $3. But by the time you have it shipped to you, especially if you need it the next day, if you carry your firearm for work, or it's your only firearm for concealed carry and you don't want to go without it, to expedite the shipping, to get it quick as possible, you know, you might quadruple the price of it when you have this kit. You pull it out of there. If you lose something during cleaning, or something was a break or need replaced, you have the spare in here. And it, like I said, there's plenty of extra room so you can add stuff that doesn't come with a kit. If there's things that you know that you want or need, you can put tools in here. You can take this with you when you go to shoots or to the range in case you have an issue or someone else that you're training with does. Excellent little kit. Check them out. They make them for the Gen 3s, Gen 4s. Can't guarantee they have the Gen 5s out yet, but I'm sure it will be coming. So check out the survival parts kit for Glocks from the Glock store. And if you like this, please like and subscribe and leave any comments below. Thank you.